honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? All right, my loves, so we have another Halloween last minute little DIY projects that I want to show you guys. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to create these really fun, really adorable gift card holders. So what we did was we went to Starbucks and we found these gift cards that are super adorable. You can write your own little message on them. You get 3 gift cards in this little pack. And so what we did was we loaded these gift cards with $5 each card. And what we're planning to do is write a little message for our guests that are coming to our little Halloween party. So you can put basically happy Halloween, you know, enjoy your $5 gift card, or whatever message you want to put on the little gift card to your your guests. So I thought it was a really cute idea, but I wanted to make a really fun little holder for it, right? So what I did was I used some of the Starbucks little holders that hold the hot cups, and I thought that these little sleeves was a good idea to put the gift cards in. So let me show you what I did here. It's really simple. Like I said, last minute project. What I used was one of these envelopes that I got at Michael's. These are already made for you. I thought that the print on this envelope was really fun for a Halloween theme, and as you can see here, it turned out like really absolutely adorable. I think it just turned out super cute. The background is just really fun, the theme, which is like this newspaper kind of print, and then I just added a few little embellishments to the front of the envelope. Basically what we're gonna do is we're going to put our little gift card in here, we're going to seal it, and we're going to gift this to our guests. Okay, so let me show you super duper easy how to decorate your envelope. Now again, you don't have to necessarily use these kinds of envelopes. Just use any envelope that you have. Even if you have a white envelope, it's perfectly fine. What you can basically do is to dress up your envelope is get some Halloween paper and just basically put double-sided tape on the paper, fit it to the envelope size, and boom, there you have a nice little decoration. Okay, so let me show you what I did here. So I'm going to use one of these envelopes, which I really love these envelopes, by the way. And what I did was I used one of these leftover little cards from the Halloween series. These are those papers that I ordered from Scrapbook.com. They're really gorgeous paper. I mean, they're absolutely beautiful. You get a whole bunch of these little squares of these gorgeous images, and I basically just cut out the squares. We're gonna use one of these, which is maybe we'll use this one right here, which is absolutely adorable, right, and cute. On this one, I used this little girl right here with the little hat. I mean, I thought it was just super cute. So, okay, make sure you decide how you want your envelopes to actually open. Do you want to put your design this way? Do you want to put your envelopes this way? I decided to make my envelopes my design kind of fit this way. So my envelope is going to open like this way, okay? So what I did was I used some Cupcake liners too, okay, and what I did was I kind of squished it in the center, and I'm going to put one Cupcake liner on this corner of my envelope. I'm going to squish this one, and I'm going to put the other Cupcake liner on this side of the envelope. That's it. That's all I did, basically, okay? Hot glue it down. You want to make sure that your Cupcake liner is not sticking out of your envelope, okay? You want to make sure you stay in frame within the envelope. So you're going to add it on one corner, and I'm going to add the second one on the other corner. Squish it in the center, and it should give you a nice little ruffle effect. Okay, and you should get something like that. Okay? we're going to take a little image and we're going to add the image in between the two cupcake liners, as you can see there. See that? So it's going to give you that little impression that you have an embellishment on this end, an embellishment on this end, and then your little image right in between those two. Before we do that, I have here these beautiful Happy Halloween little ribbons that I had left over from a previous project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add that to my embellishment. I'm basically just going to hot glue these two together. I'm going to add them right here on top of each other, and you're just going to get that little kind of like the little banner look. I'm going to hot glue this onto my top cupcake liner, just like so it can kind of look something like this, okay? And then I'm going to put some dimensions on the back of my little embellishment. 4 dimensions, just to give it some nice lift. Okay. And literally, we're basically almost done with this project. I mean, you see how simple it is, right? Definitely a last minute thing. I'm keeping in mind if you're like, you know, a working mom, working dad, and you don't have any time to be doing these embellishments, these last little minute projects, you know, it's cute and it doesn't occupy too much time. We're going to add some hot glue to each of these dimensions just to make sure that it does not fall or go anywhere. And we're just going to basically add this right in the corner, right here, kind of like in a little side, okay, of the envelope. There you go. And you should get something like this. Very simple. The last thing I did with this one is I added 2 little die cuts that I already had from a previous project. These little cute pumpkins. I'm going to add a black one and a orange one. And I'm going to just basically add them right in this little corner right here. Add some hot glue. You can also add dimensions if you want. It's up to you. I'm going to add hot glue because it's okay. I don't mind. Okay. And that's just going to basically finish your adorable little envelope. And that's basically it, guys. You see that? How cute this is? And now we're going to dress up the Starbucks sleeves to put our gift card inside. Very simple. I did not do anything crazy. I basically just used one of these little things to cover the bottom part of your sleeve, because what happens is if you don't use something to cover the bottom part of your sleeves, your gift card is just gonna basically fall through. Okay, so basically find a ribbon, maybe a trim, maybe a piece of leftover paper, so you can basically cover the bottom part of your sleeve. Okay, I'm gonna put some hot glue. I'm gonna add this like leftover paper that I have from a previous project. Okay, I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to add some more hot glue to this part right here. And then we're going to flip this over. Just like that. And that's going to seal the bottom part of your little sleeve. Use some scissors, cut off the leftover that you have here. Where is my scissors? I thought I had them. Hold on one second. Okay, here it is. Just trim the leftover. Very nice and neat. And you should get something like this. Okay, that's it. Now we're just gonna dress up the little sleeves. I have here this cute little it's like a pick, and it has a cute little witch hat. This one actually has a pumpkin. I thought it was cute to add here, so I'm just going to add a little tiny piece of washi tape so this can kind of stay together. I'm going to add a really fun little wood veneer right in the little corner of my little pick. I'm going to add some hot glue in the back. I'm going to remove the dimension because I don't want too much dimension on this. A dab of hot glue. I'm going to add this right here. Okay? And that's basically it. Okay? That is all we're going to do for this project. So what you're going to do is, once you're ready to put your gift card in your little sleeve, I have a terrible handwriting, so my husband is probably going to be the one writing on these gift cards. You'll take the gift card. Suppose this is the gift card, okay? You're going to add it in your little sleeve, just like so, okay? You can even wrap your gift card with Halloween tissue paper if you want. And then we're basically going to add our little sleeve in our little envelope that we just created. Okay, just like that. You're going to add some washi tape to seal it together, or you can also add some ribbon around it. That would also look really, really cute. I think I'm going to put ribbon instead of washi tape. And that's basically it, guys. You're going to gift this to your all your guests if you want. And I think it's a cute idea to kind of present a nice little gift card to someone. So I thought it was really, really fun. And I think it's just a super, super cute, adorable presentation for a gift card to gift to someone who you want to give them a nice little present. All right, my loves? I hope you enjoyed this short video, and I hope this gave you some ideas. Again, you can take this idea and use it on something else. Maybe you want to create yourself a nice little gift card holder. This is the perfect idea for that. Or maybe you want to create yourself just a regular, I don't know, greeting card. This is also not such a bad idea. All right, my loves? All right, I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this adorable little holder. Make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. And I'm going to come back with another quick video for you guys, okay? I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend, my loves.